Julia is the fun, exciting programming language that I've been enjoying playing with and doing research on for the last 15 years.
We started the Julia project in 2009 at MIT, and it is an amazing open source project that has garnered over 1 million users worldwide over the last several years. It took root, and it became a living, breathing community with thousands of contributors and what is now 1 million users.
So Julia is a high-level dynamic programming language that is able to reach the performance of what you typically only get with statically compiled languages like C and C++. I think a lot of people use Julia for the performance and the productivity you get. So you can reach a high level of performance quite quickly, and you can iterate on your solutions quite quickly as well.
I've seen Julia get used in some exciting places, like supercomputers, that I wouldn't have expected Julia to get used in, but it turned out to be a really good fit and enable large weather simulations, such as a project called Shenanigans. I've seen work like modeling black holes go from weeks in apparently highly optimized C++ code to hours in Julia code.
Working with the Pfizer's quantitative systems pharmacology team, what we saw there was that when they moved to these Julia-based tools, they were able to get about a 10 times performance improvement. And then when we put GPUs on top of that, it got up to 175 times performance gain.
So many of our users and customers, and these are typically Fortune 1000 companies, come to Julia for making their development, their analytics of workloads sometimes 100 times faster.
Don't be afraid to start playing with Julia. Just a couple of days and you'll be hooked.